Hello and welcome to another Modurol video. This is MT21 in our series of XK8 videos detailing how we converted our automatic XK8 to manual. And in this video we're talking about the dilemma I've got in which exhaust to fit. So I've had my car quite a long time and I've collected bits of exhaust and now I've got that many combinations I'm not quite sure what to do. So if you've got any ideas or recommendations, please let us know in the comments. So let's have a look at the first stage, stage one options I've got. Stage one then, I've got a couple of options. I've either got the straight pipes, Adamesh straight pipes, or the standard back boxes. Now I did have some Romulus Remus back boxes and I was quite happy with the noise they made, but because I had over axle pipes, or I should say straight over axle pipes, and it was quite a nice rumble, not too loud. Then I went to the stage one and the stage two, it was a bit raw, to be honest, a bit uncouth. So I've bought some second-hand back boxes and I've taken the teeny tiny trims on, and I'm going to fit either the standard XKR trims, which is sort of semi standard, if you would, still OEM, or these Adamesh ones, which really do suit the car, to be honest. They really fill the aperture on the standard early bumpers. So that's stage one. So I'm not quite sure. I'm probably going to go with the standard back boxes. I've tidied up rather than the straight through pipes. And there is another reason for that. Let's move to the stage two options. So you might have gathered I haven't really got a lot of options on stage two because I've replaced the over axle pipes really early on in my car ownership, because the crushed section of pipe, it didn't really seem worth keeping those old central exhaust boxes. So I've only really got this option, and I don't think those small silencers make a lot of difference, but hey-oh. So either way, I'm going to have the stage two over axle pipe. I think it makes the right choice. Well, I haven't got a choice anyway. Let's move on to stage three. Stage three, I'm calling it stage three because it's just logical to go 1, 2 and 3, is actually this, the front exhaust box. This is the standard one off my car, and as I'm trolling the internet constantly for XK8 information and stuff for enhance my car, this was listed on eBay from Dave Manners, and I bought this, and it's an X pipe, and I think it's going to make things very loud, so I'm debating on whether to fit this. You'll notice I have got one problem. It's a bit short, so I've had to buy an extra section of 58mm diameter pipe. If you're interested in your XK8 exhaust, is actually the OD is 58mm and it's 1.5mm thick steel. So I'm going to have to cut and shut this end. It's very simple to do. I don't have to swage the ends or anything. This suits the OD of the 58, and the cats fit the ID as well, so it's not a big deal. So my dilemma is, which one of these do I fit? I know when I had this, the noise was rumbly, but now I've bought this. Why did I buy it? Why did I buy it? Why don't I just fit it? I mean, this is my world, really. This is why everything takes so long. I'd love debating whether it's worth doing or not. This was reasonably cheap, so I bought it just for the hell of it, but I've got to fit it. So should I fit it now or after I put the manual gearbox in? I'm not sure. The safe option is to fit this with the over axle pipes and the standard boxes and just change the trims. I know that'll give a nice rumble, but I could also fit this X pipe, the over axle pipes and the standard boxes. I'm not going to go straight through. I have that option now. I could go straight through, which would be interesting. I don't know. What do you think? I think what I might do is I might go safe, centre back box, over axle pipes, standard back boxes, get it through the MOT. I've got to get it back up in the air again, and I can play about with them once it's MOT'd. I don't really want to turn up to the MOT station with a straight through system, or even X pipe and standard back boxes. That's my temptation. I think either way I'm going to probably go with standard back boxes, because I think it can't be too raw. Anyway, welcome to my world. Yeah, that's what I'm going to debate next, and yeah, you'll have to see what I decide, and hopefully you might influence that. So one thing I am sure about in all this exhaust is I'm going to get rid of the teeny tiny trims, the integral tail trims on the exhaust. They're just literally welded on. So what I've done is I've ground off the welds. The trim literally pulls straight off. It's only physically welded on with 2 welds on the ends there. And then, I don't know if you can see here, the pipe is swaged. You cut that off and then it reveals the 58mm diameter, so any 58mm diameter trim will go on. I really like the OEM look of these XKR ones. It looks standardish. It's quite good, and they just slide straight on and you bolt them up, easy as pie. But I'm tempted by these Adamesh. I have had these on. These really just fill up the bumper. The cutout in the bumper, really good. The made to measure ones, again, these slide straight on. They've got clamps, so it's easy to swap in and out, so I can change them on a daily basis if I like. So I say, one thing I'm sure about is I'm getting rid of the standard trims. Yeah, no good. So it's not going to be standard car, as is. It's not going to have an automatic gearbox very surely. So there you go. That's all the options I have and what I'm doing at the moment. I hope you find it interesting if you're considering changing your exhaust pipe to get a little bit more noise or V8 rumble. And if you've got any videos of your car with the sound, please recommend them to us in the comments and we'll take a look. Thanks very much. Please like, comment, share and subscribe for more XK8 videos. Bye bye.